Welcome to AutoMaster, your ultimate destination for detailed and reliable car reviews from the classics to the newest releases. In this video, we dive into the legendary 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, a true American muscle car icon that still turns heads today. The 1969 Camaro marked the final year of the first generation and is often regarded as one of the best-looking and best-performing models in the entire Camaro lineage, with its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and strong road presence. It's no wonder this classic continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Starting with the design, the 1969 Camaro received several exterior updates that set it apart from previous models. It featured a more sculpted body with revised sheet metal, a wider and lower stance, and a new grille design that made it look even more muscular. The hidden headlights in the RS package and the optional rear deck spoiler added to its sporty appeal. The body lines were sharper and the overall profile more aggressive, giving the Camaro a look that meant business on the street and the track. Under the hood, the 1969 Camaro offered a wide range of engine choices, giving buyers the flexibility to choose performance levels that match their needs. The base model came with a 230 cubic inch inline-six engine, but most buyers opted for the V8 options. The available small block V8s included the 307, 327, and 350 cubic inch engines, delivering solid performance for everyday driving. For those craving more power, the big block V8s were the way to go. The 396 cubic inch engine, available in several configurations, offered up to 375 horsepower. The most powerful option, however, came with the Copo 427 package, a factory sleeper that featured a massive 427 cubic inch engine producing over 425 horsepower. These Copo models were designed for drag racing and are now among the most sought-after collector cars. Inside, the 1969 Camaro combined sporty styling with functional comfort. The dashboard was driver-focused with easy-to-read gauges and available options like a tachometer and auxiliary gauges mounted on the console. Bucket seats, available in vinyl or cloth, offered decent support, and the optional wood grain trim gave the interior a more upscale feel. While interior space wasn't its strongest point, the Camaro's layout and features were well suited for spirited driving. When it comes to performance and handling, the 1969 Camaro stood out for its balanced chassis and responsive steering. Depending on the trim and options selected, it could be a comfortable cruiser or a serious track-ready machine. The SS and Z/28 trims were particularly performance-oriented. The SS package came with upgraded suspension, power brakes, and performance tires, while the Z/28 was built for Trans Am racing with a high-revving 302 cubic inch V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and front disc brakes. The Z/28 was not just about straight-line speed. It offered sharp cornering ability and was a favorite among serious drivers and racers. The 1969 Camaro was also customizable, with a wide range of factory options and dealer-installed accessories. Buyers could choose between coupe or convertible body styles, several performance packages, and multiple color combinations. This flexibility made it possible for each Camaro to be tailored to the buyer's specific taste and driving needs. Overall, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro remains one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. Its bold design, thrilling performance options, and legendary status in American automotive history make it a standout vehicle even decades after its original release. Whether you're a collector, a classic car fan, or just someone who appreciates vintage performance, the 1969 Camaro is a car that delivers excitement on every level. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to AutoMaster for more in-depth car reviews, both classic and modern. Thanks for watching.